The American comic industry and direct market is broken. But here's a few quick ways that we can fix it. First, my other videos riled a few feathers. Don't get it twisted. TV and film success does not mean comics success. When I'm saying comics, I'm talking about the actual comic books, the actual sequential art that creators make. That industry is long broken and on life support. Thanks mostly in part to really bad managers and strategy. But hey, it happens. Quick win number one, any big comic, movie, TV, or film has the instant ability to help drive new readers to their local comic book shops. G.I. Joe toys did this well in the 1980s.
That's part of my plan. Just throw me. Follow the further adventures of G.I. Joe and Marvel Comics.
And think about this, fans even wait until after the credit scenes. Why not go the extra mile and have Captain America giving a call to action to go support your local comic book shop and local creators? It promotes literacy, it promotes imagination. Beyond a marketing campaign, it builds community in these places. And that shouldn't be all on the local comic book shop owner. Where comic shops don't exist, they could encourage local fan meetups everywhere, not just waiting for the nearest Comic-Con. The real question is, why hasn't this been done? It's almost as if they don't really want you to go to this magical place full of other titles and amazing creators. What do you think? Support your local comic book store.